wait before you skip this because I'm about to share something that's been a total game changer for me, and it's ridiculously simple: the bedtime gelatin trick. I know it sounds a bit weird, but trust me, it's worth trying. Essentially, it's all about incorporating gelatin into your evening routine so your body can do its thing while you sleep. Researchers say that gelatin can help with digestive health, and when you take it before bed, you can wake up feeling more refreshed and light. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, and I've started doing it too. We both love how it helps us drop that sluggish feeling in the morning. It's not about making drastic changes, but about adding this one easy habit to your daily routine. The gelatin trick is all about working with your body, not against it, and that's what I love about it. So, if you're curious about trying the bedtime gelatin trick for yourself, head to the link in my description to learn more about how to get started. And if you have any questions, check out the pinned comment below, where I've shared some extra tips and tricks for making the most of the gelatin trick.